Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around.
I will ensure the Yagami name lives on.
All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, those whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want an illustration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And that only makes it captivated, so they get
kill. Triple kill.
I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay up late. I heard you.
Ace!
I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah. They say she's too hot.
The glory is mine, but I still honor the fallen.
Nobody really knows. They say she looks young. They say she acts old. That's the best thing I've heard. She gets out of control. All the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. Got a body like a
First blood. First blood. Double kill.
Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Stage here on screen, okay, this a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. I wanna go all day, yeah.
Tolong aku! Thanks! The glory is mine, but I still honor the fallen.
They're looking up to me. They want
aku.
First blood.
Thanks.
They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no motion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, never know how to fall.
Triple kill.
The glory is mine, but I still won't have fallen.
You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
First blood. Double kill. Triple kill.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta love it. I don't feel like I'm easy to recognize. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand. I don't wanna be on the show. You can hear me if I yell. So come. I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
Good. The Yagami's name will live onward.